Yo people, it's Tickler Nick here, and today we got the lemons on, we got the Hawaiian shirt on, and we are heading over to do a kayak adventure. So y'all are in for a little treat in this video. It's gonna be a little different, we'll see how it does. And my Spotify keeps on changing my music randomly for no reason, so that's kind of pissing me off. But we're on our way over to Bonar Garage's house. He has some kayaks. We're gonna throw them in his truck, and we're gonna head out to Grapevine Lake in Grapevine, Texas, and have ourselves a good old time. And we'll see what we can get into on the way. I do have the chest mount and my waterproof case, so you guys will be seeing some of those shenanigans. And I will get back to you guys once we arrive at Bonar Garage's house. Hello, sir.
Ready for adventure today.
Bonar Garage.
Hey, how's it going, Tickler Nick?
Good, how are you?
Good, let's go get the fucking boats off the field.
Let's do it. Would you look at that? We got the yaks in the truck.
We got the yaks. We're going to Texas. We got the yaks in the back. You can't see them because you're on Tickler Nick's chest there, but we're about to head out.
All right, we just pulled up. We're gonna go ahead and get over to the boat ramp and launch these yaks. Dude, there's some guys camping right there. Hey, last time we were here, we met up with this one guy who just got out of jail.
Yeah.
Cool dude. Shout out to Josh if you're watching this.
Shout out, Josh. I hope you're off probation.
Hope so too, dude. I hope you made it fine. Drinking them 40s while out in your kayak. Hope that didn't get you in trouble.
Yeah. Offering minors to 40.
Yep.
Probably not helping your probation, but you know.
Allegedly. He allegedly offered us 40s. We can't put him.
I wasn't talking about Josh. I was just saying, in general, if you were to offer a minor,
oh yeah, yeah. In general.
While on probation.
Good point. Good point.
Yeah, probably not a good idea.
No, you wouldn't want to do that. So any of you watching this video, if you guys are on probation, don't be offering 40s to minors out in your yak. Alright, we're gonna swap you guys over to the waterproof case, and we will see you in a second.